Now they have started here for hair transplant too. So there is no need to travel too far like Pune or some other place. Hi, na peru Ramesh. I came from Hyderabad and I was having an hair fall for 1 year, and later I used minoxidil and I stopped that, and later my hair fall was severe and I consulted Sridevi Lekha ma'am, and I went to Pune branch for hair transplant, and transplantation was successfully from them, and all the staffs were very supportive there. They gave me very confident and comfort there, and after surgery also they were following me like 1 month every month for an year, and later for PRP also they were calling like I have to have PRP around 3 to 4 months, and regular checkup was there from Sridevi Lekha ma'am. I'm happy and very confident like I have natural hair feeling like, and I suggest you all to have a consultation with Sridevi Lekha ma'am. So after that you can plan your transplantation or either PRP sessions, and thank you Sridevi ma'am, and Hairfree Hairgrow.